If Michelin rated tech stacks, would you earn a star? Welcome to Any Connector Audio Insights, the podcast where we explore how connected technology is redefining the restaurant experience. Today's question might surprise you. What if Michelin rated tech stacks? Because in today's world, your digital systems speak as loudly as your food. And sometimes, they decide whether your brand earns its star. Michelin stars represent precision, consistency, and excellence. Every detail matters. The timing, the presentation, the harmony. Now imagine if your restaurant's technology was judged by those same standards. Would your systems earn a Michelin star? Or would they struggle to get a reservation? Because a star-worthy tech stack is built on the same principles as a world-class kitchen: attention to detail, perfect coordination, and flawless execution. Guests might not taste your technology, but they experience it in every tap, order, and interaction. So, what would a Michelin-rated tech stack look like? First, it's cloud-based and scalable. It grows as you grow, whether that's one new location or a dozen. Second, it's fully integrated. Your POS, payroll, HR, inventory, and marketing systems all communicate seamlessly. No silos. No stitching data manually. Third, it delivers real-time visibility. Dashboards that show what's happening right now, not reports from yesterday. Fourth, it empowers everyone. With low-code or no-code workflows, even non-technical teams can automate tasks without waiting for IT. And finally, it's secure and resilient, built on modern middleware that's fast, stable, and safe from downtime or data risks. That's the digital version of a perfectly plated dish. Precise, balanced, and consistent every single time. Of course, not every restaurant earns its star, and in the tech world, losing one is easier than you think. Disconnected systems, manual exports and re-entry across departments, custom code that breaks the moment you scale, inconsistent guest experiences from one channel to the next, and back-office tools that duplicate work instead of removing it. Each of these is the equivalent of a burnt dish or a missed reservation. Small errors that add up fast. Because when your technology lacks precision, your brand loses consistency. And that's how even the best restaurants lose their shine. Here's the truth. No restaurant operates with just one tool. You're managing point-of-sale systems, payroll, human resources information systems, inventory, customer relationship management, delivery platforms, and marketing automation. What separates average tech from award-worthy? Integration. And not just any integration. Modern, cloud-native, secure integration that keeps everything connected and moving in sync. That's where Any Connector comes in. With Any Connector, your POS can sync sales with inventory and accounting. Your HRIS connects with payroll and scheduling to eliminate errors. Custom APIs handle unique workflows. And all of it runs securely in one scalable platform. It's the difference between managing chaos and conducting a symphony. Let's imagine a multi-location restaurant brand. Each region uses a different POS, a separate CRM, and a local HR tool. Managers spend hours every week reconciling numbers by hand. Marketing works with stale data. And operations leaders make decisions based on outdated reports. Now imagine that same brand powered by an all-in-one integration platform. POS and payroll sync automatically. inventory updates across every location in real time. Marketing campaigns use live guest data, not last month's exports. And executives see everything through one clear dashboard. That's not just convenience, it's consistency. And in the Michelin world, consistency is what earns stars. Earning a Michelin star isn't about having the fanciest ingredients. It's about how well those ingredients come together. The same goes for your technology. You don't need every tool under the sun. You need harmony. A Michelin-worthy tech stack is thoughtfully connected, built for growth, and focused on the people who use it, both guests and staff. When your systems work together flawlessly, your brand operates with precision, agility, and confidence. That's what excellence looks like in the digital age of dining. Your guests might never see your tech stack, but they'll remember what it delivers. Whether it's a quick order, a smooth checkout, or a perfectly personalized reward, your systems either enhance the experience or interrupt it. A connected, integrated stack ensures everything works as it should, quietly, consistently, and beautifully. Because in hospitality, excellence isn't just about what's on the plate. It's about every system behind it working in perfect sync. So, if Michelin rated tech stacks, would yours earn a star? Thanks for listening to AnyConnector Audio Insights, the podcast where restaurant technology meets real-world excellence. To discover how AnyConnector helps brands build star-worthy operations through seamless integration, visit anyconnector.com.